Hello everyone, we are Huayu Heng Metal Manufacturer. This is our production workshop. Now, the production and processing is Assembled Zinc Steel Guardrail. It is composed of surface pipe, crossbar, column, vertical pipe, straight top, and other assembly parts. It is convenient for transportation and installation. The handrail components form a protective film through a 2-spray and 2-coating technology process. Anti-corrosion and anti-rust can last for several decades. Product size, color, and style support to customization. Huayu has its own 50,000 square meter factory, over 800 employees, and an annual output value exceeding 1 billion yuan. Past international certifications such as ISO9001. We not only sell products, we provide complete solutions that reassure you. Click the Chat Now button at the bottom of the screen to get your exclusive product catalog and customized quotation.